Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be going on a little adventure today. We're going to go to Apple Hill. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to go since last year. It's in Placerville. It's basically just like apple orchards. It's really nice this time of the year because they have pumpkins for Halloween. They have like apple donuts, apple cider, apple beer. I'm so excited. It's about almost 2 hours away. Hopefully we don't catch any traffic. It's around 9:30 right now, but funny story. So this week I was looking at the weather trying to figure out what to wear, and for some reason my weather app was on Celsius and it said that it was going to be 23 degrees out there. So I was like, I believed it because I was like, okay, it's like going towards Tahoe, like maybe it's just hella cold over there now. And then this morning when I went on my weather app to see it, we are already like out the door. And it was on like my location where I'm at now. And then it said that here was 20 degrees. And I was like, what the hell? And then I went on the settings and it was on Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Oh my gosh. I'm such a dumbass. So we got changed like for winter. And no wonder I was looking on Instagram, like on the location. I was looking at their pictures and all the girls, like, you know, they didn't seem like they were freezing. Like, yeah, they were wearing like sweaters, like, but nothing crazy. So I wore like this turtleneck and some leggings. Could have probably worn something else, but whatever. He went to go change really quick because he had a jacket. So he's gonna change into something else. I can't believe I did that. Like, how dumb am I? Also, another update, I freaking hate my makeup today. I ordered the Fenty Pro Filter foundation and I hate it so much. Like, you can't tell on you can't even tell on camera because this camera makes you look pretty. But oh my god, like, my skin is normal. It's like so patchy and dry right here, which I don't have dry skin. No foundation has ever done that to me. And then it was so white on my skin. I got shade 120, I think, and it was supposed to be a neutral, and it was freaking pink. Like, I had to mix it with like different concealers and stuff to fix it. I should have known because I tried the Fenty foundation, like their original one, before, and it did the same exact thing. But I thought this one would be better, and it wasn't. He changed it now. I was telling them what I did. There's so much traffic to get here. So many cars. Wait, let me. Oh, I thought you were finishing it. Perfect. More donuts. Apple fritter. Caramel apple. Apple beer.
Bree got her apple beer. It's good?
So pretty here.
Cheers.
tasting. Michelada.
With the shrimp. Right.
We just finished eating.
Culichi Town. Bree didn't want to cash out for the banda, so we had to go.
Can't afford that.
You're cheap.
The hot Cheetos were fire. So that concludes our Sunday Funday. I will see you guys soon for more fall activities.